Hello students, today we will see our practical number 10, that is write a program to demonstrate status of a key on applet window such as a key press, key release, key up, key down. Means here we have to write one applet that will show which key we have pressed or which key we have released, etc. So this is a event handling program. So directly we will start the program. Here we have imported java.awt package, then java.awt.event and javax.swing.japplet. Here we are using the applet, so this is the applet tag in a comment section. Okay. Our class name is event demo 6. Event demo 6 extends the japplet. Means this event demo 6 inherits the japplet class and implements key listener. Implements keyword we use for the interface. Key listener is a interface. What is interface? Interface is a does not have the class definition, means it will have the only abstract classes and abstract methods. Then we have taken the two strings event and key code. So next is the init method of the applet. There are different lifecycle methods of the applet like init, then stop, init, then paint, then stop and destroy. These are the lifecycle methods of the applet. This is the first method, init. Using this init method we will set up our user interface first. Then in init we have set layout as a flow layout. Then event and key code are initialized to the blank. Then we have registered this listener using add key listener method. Okay, means key listener is registered to this applet. Then set focusable true. Using this statement, applet will force to receive the key event. The next lifecycle method of the applet is a paint. Paint is used to draw anything to the applet. Super.paint means this applet will call this paint method. Then g.draw rectangle, it will show bounds of the applet. Then event message is shown using this statement g.string event, then g.string key code. The key code will be shown on the applet. Then next method is the key press method. This method will invoke when we will press any key. Okay, means when we press a key, this method will call. So when we press a key, this event will value of this event is change. So event is equal to e.getKeyChar plus press. This getKeyChar method will return the character value of the key. Means this string will be shown. Character value of the key plus pressed. Then key code is initialized to string.value of e.getKeyCode. This string.value method returns the string equivalent of the key code. Okay. Then next is a key release method. Similarly, when we release the pressed key, the value of event and key code will be changed using this key release method. This method will invoke when we release the key. So what will be value of the event? Event is equal to e dot get key char plus release, means character value of the key plus release, and string dot value of e dot get key code, means string representation of this key code. Then next is a key type method. This will invoke when we type a key. Event is equal to e dot get key char plus type, and key code is equals to string dot value of e dot get key code. Okay, means when we press a key or release a key or type a key, the value of this event and key code is changes, and that value will be painted on the applet using this paint method. Now execute. This is a script to execute the applet. cd $current directory java c $file name and applet viewer. Here we have used the applet viewer for executing the applet. Now I will press the capital A. A is type, A is release, and key code is 65. For G, capital G, key code is 70. Then capital Y, for capital Y, key code is 89. Now small e, key code is 69. Small o, key code is 79. Okay. This is all for the practical number 10.